Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this week's guest is another oldie with the ERF petrol tanker. Lesney did a whole line of trucks with the ERF cap, like the horse box and the cement mixer I did earlier on my channel. The ERF petrol tanker was introduced in 1955 as model number 11, often in yellow or red, with the earliest versions in dark green with gold trim. In 1958 it was replaced by this slightly upscaled version, always in dark red with an SO decal on the rear of the tank. The grille, headlights and fuel tanks were detailed by hand until mask spraying was introduced and only the front of the cap was detailed. ERF was a British truck manufacturer established in 1933 by Edwin Richard Fodden in Sandbach, England. In 2000 ERF became part of the German MAN and the Sandbach factory was closed in 2002. In 2007 the ERF brand disappeared completely. The Matchbox model is based on the 1950s V-Type series, which was offered in a wide array of configurations. Strangely, the only picture of an ERF tanker with 3 axles like the Matchbox model is this beer truck. Most ERF tanker trucks seem to have 4 axles. The model on the turntable is in a very sorry state with almost no paint left. But that's the least of my worries, as the cap has been bent backwards, resulting in a cracked chassis. The axles are very rusted and can't be turned anymore. Anyway, I have my work cut out for this one. So let's get our tools and give this model a factory reset. This tanker truck is nearing 70 years old and it shows. It has barely any paint left, the axles are rusted and the cap is bent backwards, resulting in a crack in the chassis. And here we are after the restoration. The truck received a brand new coat of ruby red, new detailing on the front grille and headlights and a new SO decal on the rear lid of the tank. The cap has been straightened. The axles were too rusty, so I replaced them with some spare Lesney axles of the right length. One of the wheels was soaked in blue marker, which I couldn't get rid of, so I had to repaint all 6. To finish it all off, the truck received a nice gloss coat to look like the day it came out of the box. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.